In Unhinged, 2020, a simple gesture turns into a nightmare. Stuck in traffic, an impatient mother honks at a stopped car, not knowing she's just triggered the wrong man. On the other side, a driver on the edge snaps, unleashing his fury. What starts as an ordinary day quickly turns into a relentless chase. He pursues the woman and her son across the city, turning ordinary streets into scenes of pure terror. This moment proves a chilling truth. Sometimes, the smallest gesture can set off the most terrifying consequences. See you next time!